Hey guys, Jim at Downley Ford in Mount Vernon, another recent trade. This is a 2021 Ford Explorer Platinum. Of course, the color is white platinum too, if you can see that tri-coat on there. Of course, he's got the windows all blacked out. Different interior being a platinum. Got a little bit of maroon trim in the top. All the bells and whistles. B&O stereo, of course, backup cameras, navigations, moonroof. Just over 46,000 miles on this one. Local business guy, definitely not hurt this thing ever. Bucket seats in the middle. Got the kid screen on the window there. Get a little sun out of their eyes. Of course, on a Platinum, you have the power lift gate. It does have a tow package, backup sensors. Third row is power as well. Really nice ride, guys. If this thing catches your eye, please let us know it.